3 ways to spell the ch sound.
ch, ch,
Used at the beginning of the word. Also used in the middle and at the end of the word after a long vowel or a consonant. Chips. Children. Chocolate. Chicken. Each. Brooch. Peach. Teacher. Porch. Search. Lunch. March.
ch,
Used only after a single short or broad vowel. Catch. Watch. Match. Kitchen. Itch. Butcher. Hutch. Stretch.
As usual in the English language, there are exceptions to these rules. Here are some examples. Much. Sandwich. Which. Such. Detach. Ostrich. Spinach. Rich.
ch,
Ritual. Virtual. Statue. Punctual. Situation. Fortunate. Nature.